Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to speed up slow laptop. When you use your laptop and it get hangs or the things get really slow, then I'll show you how you can fix it. First, you have to click onto this Windows search bar and then search for system configuration. Simply click onto it. Then from these options, you have to click on Startup and click on Open Task Manager. Now it will show you all the apps that automatically gets on when you open your PC. So from there, those apps that you don't want to be get on their own, you can just simply disable them. But the one that you want to keep, that they auto start when you open your PC, for that you can keep them enabled. Otherwise, those you don't need, you can just simply click onto that option and you can just disable them. By that, the apps will not work in the background and you will see your system will work smoothly. After that, get back and click on services. Then after that, you have to select this option, which is hide all Microsoft services. Now the few apps will be left. So these apps are those that keep running in the background. So what it do, it takes your system's battery, your internet. So what apps you don't want, you can just simply disable it, or you can disable all if you don't want. Then simply apply and click on OK. The other thing you can do is check for your laptop's update. So for that reason, you have to simply search for update and go to check for updates. If there any update available, you have to simply update your system. By doing that, all the bugs and issues will be resolved on their own. And the last thing that you can try is the refresh, which is very simple. You have to do the right click and click on refresh. And the last thing you can do is the restart. By doing that, if there's any bug or any sort of hang, it will be fixed. So these were the few things that I did. If you try one of these, you will see your laptop will start running smoothly. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video.